We already know the advantages of the transformation of the responses, especially for the RESTful API. So what we are going to do during this class is just to install the Spatie Fractal Laravel package in our project that is going to allow us to use the original PHP Fractal package to transform the responses, but in a very intuitive way. And additionally, we are going to register a Laravel service provider that is going to provide us a new command to create transformers for our models, as we are going to do in the next classes. For now, we just need to go to our console and use Composer to require a new package. This is going to install the Spatie Laravel Fractal, that is an abstraction from the original Spatie Fractalist, and is using the original PHP Fractal stuff. There are several things that we can do with this, as we are going to see in the next classes, but the only thing that we have to do right now is just to install this package and register that to get access to the new comments and of course the structures. We can see here how it is installing the Leak Fractal, that is the original PHP package. Then it's installing Fractalistic, and finally the Laravel Fractal package, that is what we need. At the end, we have this completely installed, so we just need to go to our project, directly to the config app file, and a little down, we have the list of providers. We have here, based on the comments, that those are the Laravel Framework service providers. Then we have the providers for the packages and the providers for the application. We are going to add a new provider just directly here. This provider is going to be Spatie Fractal Service Provider. And that's all. Of course, the order here is not very relevant the major part of the times. Sometimes it does, but it is a very good idea to keep it organized depending if it is a provider for a package or for our own project or a provider for Laravel. So it is a very good practice to do this in this way. Once we have this, if we go to our console and issue PHP Artisan, I have a little error here, I'm sorry. I just messed this, it should be like this. So let's try again. And if we use the PHP Artisan stuff, we can find a new command that is make transformer. It is going to allow us to create several transformers that we will need during the next classes. So see you in the next classes to create every transformer that we need.